Oh, I don't eat this. Me either. Want some apples? Nah. I wish there's something for us to eat. Take a bite. Fine. Nah. I wish there's something for us to eat. Huh? Hey guys. This noodles is very delicious. Every bite is so delicious. Huh? Sure! Can I have one? Here's the recipe. I don't know how to read this, but how do I supposed to read this? Here, let me show you guys. Follow me. It looks like Blue is cooking for today. Okay, flint and steel. Cauldron, water. You guys better watch it because I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Now, make sure you get that. And that flour, put that in the pot. And make sure no chicken. And some water. Mix them. And put all the eggs in there. And shake it like that. And now you get to cook them. And break them like that. And now you put those in there. And you shake these. After that, now you put those. Now you put them in there. Put some noodles. And some eggs. And here's some kelp. And here's some dry kelp. And here you go. And that's how you make it. So yummy. Where do you find this? I actually found it from the village. Oh, okay. Here's the pickaxe. Whatever. So that's where I find it. Well, let's go find it into the village. Yeah. Okay, we're just here for the recipe. Okay. Split up, guys. Hey, I'm Blue. I need a new recipe. Do you find any villager that have a recipe? I'm hungry. Please show me. Huh? The middle? Okay, guys, we're back together. Okay, Blue. Knock, knock. Oh, I'm hungry. Huh? Hello? Okay. This recipe. Huh? Okay, come on. Yes, let's go! Come on, let's go. Oh my gosh! Let me eat some. No, let me! Huh? Oh. Master. I'm really hungry. It's okay, Green. Right here. Here we are. That's the recipe. Hey, you go get it, Blue. I'll give it to you. Huh? Really? But I don't have any. What? Impossible! I have an idea. What about some emeralds? No. Aww. I thought villager trade was some emeralds. Yeah, me too. Well, you know, we're having a fun day today, right? But give me that now! Well, you're gonna pay for this, little villager that you don't know how to fight. Whoa! I gotta get the food! I think we have to take the order away, I guess. Pancakes? I got some flour. Let's go cook. Okay. Okay, we need those again. Now, crafting table and furnace. Now you do that. Now some flour in there. Crack an egg. Now mix that up. After that, you put them there. Now you flex them back and you put them in the plate. Okay, let me make that. You put too many water. Go do it again. Well, you put it too small, so go try again. Okay. You got perfect water. Yay! Okay. Let me put that in the book. Let me put some flour in there. Okay. Syrup! Whoa! I did not know you guys are done already. So impressive. Here we go. Here's some syrup. Let's go! No! We can't eat them. It's for the villager. Aww. We got the pancake. Let's see what you got for me. It smells pretty good. Pretty good. Let me take all those pancakes. Here's some seed. Tomato seed. Guys, I think we have to make potatoes. Oh, okay. So we have to make pizza, guys. Here's some. Let's go. Now we need to grow it by bone meals. This is pretty fun. Okay, let me put these tomatoes in here and mix them. I'll take some water. Here we go, Blue. Okay. Now you put some flour with the water, all of them together. Now you give it to orders and orders. You put them like that, and now you do like that. Okay, let me take some tomato sauce bucket. Okay. There we go, cheese bucket. Let me cut them. Okay, everyone should have one. I'll put mine some chicken. I'll put mine some beef. I'll put mine some whatever that called. I'll put some mushrooms. This one's better. Put them in there. Okay. Hey, stop smelling it. We done it. Okay. Done. Yay! Here's an oil bucket. Okay. I don't know what to do with this. It looks like we have to make donuts and chicken and fry and hamburger, guys. Let's go. Ew. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Everyone better do good. If you guys do good, it will be bad. I mean, like, if you guys done bad, that'll be not good. But if you guys done good, it will be awesome. Let me put that fry in there and mix it in parts. Okay. Let me write down the book. Okay. Let me cut that some bread. And let me cut some potatoes to make some fries. Okay, let me get some cheese. Okay. Everyone's going okay. Yay! Ha! It's gonna be. Oh! Oh no! Not my donut! Huh? Did we victory? This one? Huh? Oh no. We're just gonna hide that. Okay. If you say so, Blue. Please, Master. You've done great. Something's fishy. Well, you know what? Okay. Yay! What is that? Huh? did not finish it. No. Leave. Please, we beg you. Yeah, me too. Please, we beg you. Please, we will not mess up again. Please, we beg you. My stomach been hungry. Wow, they done hard. Should I give them another chance? Whatever. What are these maps? Go over there. But you know, you need these maps. Why? Wait. So we had to go find the recipe. Yeah. You have no choice. It's to go. Go, my trusty horsey. Come on, Ring. Go. Yeah. Go, my trusty horsey. Okay, that way. Okay, Yellow. Row. Okay, here you go. Go, my horsey. Good job, my horsey. You're doing great. I think we're here, Orange. What if you go find some corn? Do you find any recipe like this? Over there. What's up, this recipe? Okay, so here. Take those and harvest. Hello. Do you have any of these recipes? Okay, I do, my fellow friend. Okay. Gosh, amazing. So amazing. Fresh, too. It's ready on the book. Great. Wow, Yellow, you're doing good. Yeah, Orange. Whoa. Where's that? Okay, write that in the book. done? Oh, yes, Master. We're done, Master Chef. Let's see how good you do. Oh. I think that's good too. Yes, let's go! Here. Yes, the master recipe. Huh? What the? What a scammer! Yeah, you like it? Look. Is the master book. Yes! Yes. Thank you, Master, for teaching me. Take that! I'm starving! Me too, me three! Okay guys, I just want to show you how good I am at acting as Becker animation. Since they don't have any like sound, I should like copy the sound, if you know what I'm saying. But if you like today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, please, and comment, please, and thank you. Bye.